Who's your friend? What's that? Hi, duck. Hi. Give the duck a hug. Hugs. Give the duck a hug. Hug. What does a duck say? Quack, quack, quack. You do it. You do it. Quack, quack. Oh, kisses for the duck. Whoa. So busy all the time. Uh-oh, what happened to the duck? Uh-oh. Oh, gosh, so tired. Uh-oh. Give the duck a kiss. Kisses. Hey, be nice to the duck. Be nice. Be nice. Kisses. Uh-oh. Oh my goodness. Charlotte, what are you doing in there? Time out? Yeah? Bring the duck to mommy. Bring the duck to mama. She understands a lot. I see mildew. Come here. I see mildew on that duck. Bring it to mama. Walk over here. Come. Come on. Oh my goodness. Are you stuck? Stuck? Oh. You're busy all the time. Oh, thank you. Yay, you're right. Yay. Duck says quack, quack. Say hi. 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 Hi, duck. Hi. What does a monkey say? Ooh, ooh, ha, ha. You do it. Do it. Charlotte. Ooh, ooh, ha, ha.